Hi guys, this is Matt from Optimus Futures. Today I'm going to show you how to place bracket orders on RTrader and how to save them. Some people call it RTrader, some people call it Rithmic Trader. There's also Rithmic Trader Pro, which includes charts. In this specific video, I want to focus on bracket type execution. Rithmic has recently added really nice features to this, which I think a lot of traders will find very useful. Let's get to it. Okay, this is the bracket and OCO order. I click on that, you see right over here, and then I'm going to configure it. Okay. When you open this for the first time, this is what you're going to see. So you will have to name your bracket, and you can create as many brackets as you want. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to call this one Optimus bracket, okay? And now I'm going to create it. Let me click here and show more options, okay? So the first option is asking you bracket type. Do you want targets only, stops only, on both? I'm going to leave it on both. Then we have trailing stops and convert to market. But I'm going to start at the bottom. Let's assume that you are trading 3 lots, okay? And when you trade the 3 lots, you want to take profits at various levels. So let's assume that you want to create here, you have 1 lot, you want to take 10 ticks. Let's assume you're trading the E-mini S&P. This is 1, level 1. Here we're going to have another one, and here we're going to take profits at 15. And there's the third one, and we're going to take profits at 20 ticks. And of course, you choose your own levels, right? Okay, now we're going to the stop order, and here you just want to have 3 lots, and you want to get out of the market on all of them if it hits 10 ticks, okay? Just assuming, again, place your own levels. Just a legal disclaimer, just because you place stops at 10 ticks, it might not get executed there. Sometimes it's impossible to execute during certain market conditions. It's impossible to execute stop orders, and of course it could result in slippage. But let's assume that there's normal market conditions, just for the sake of this example, and you put your stop ticks here at 10. Now, let's assume that after you place this order, and again, I'm not recommending ever to leave your computer. Just because you placed those orders, always stay beside your computer. This is just done for the sake of speed, and not to start making decisions on certain price level. If you have a trading plan, you should know your targets ahead of time. But during trading session, there could be a time that none of those things occur. So you want to have a contingency. The contingency is to convert the market. So let's assume that by 11 o'clock in the morning, if nothing happens, let's say within the next, let's say it's 10:30 right now, again, just for the sake of the example, and at 11 o'clock you want to bail out of everything. So you convert your targets at, let's assume, 11 o'clock. 11 is for the morning, of course. If it's nighttime, you put 23. Those of you who don't know, the after hours always do -12, so 13 is 1, 14 is 2, and so forth. Okay, and this is in the morning. If it was at night, it would look like this, 23. If it was 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you would put 16. This time it's 11 in the morning, you use 11. And do the same thing here. Okay, 11, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So now, if none of those conditions get filled within the next 30 minutes, you just basically it will convert the orders to the market. Now, we can add another thing, and those are trailing stops. Make stop orders trail by last trade price. Okay. You want to do that, and then start trailing when the last trade price moves, again, number of ticks. What does it mean? It means that as the market going towards your targets, you also want to reduce the the stop loss. You want to move it higher and higher as the price goes higher. So now you decide. You have 10 ticks, okay, that you want to move. However, you want to start trailing it, let's say, after the first 5 ticks. If the market moves the first 5 ticks, you want to bring it up. Again, I'm not giving you a recommendation here. You have to decide based on market volatility where to do that. And so that's your own discretion, at your own discretion. I'm going to save this, okay? I'm going to save this and I'm going to call it Optimus bracket. Okay, now I saved it. Okay, I'm going to choose it here and I put it here and now it's working here. And now if I want to enable it, I just enable it. Okay, great. Now the minute you're going to buy something, this bracket order will be enabled for you. If you don't want it enabled, all you have to do is here. Okay, now let's do something else. Let's go back to this, okay? And I'm going to, you can delete this one, okay? You can delete it. You can name it something else and go from there. If you want a new one, you click config. You clear it here. Your order is still here and you can create a new one. Let's create a new one, okay? Let's call it Optimus 2, okay? Now you're a completely different trader. I'm going to use a completely different example. Let's say you just a long-term trader. I should say, mini S&P don't have many long-term traders, but let's say you're a swing trader or you're on one lot for the day. And let's say you trade with 10 lots. And you had a target ticks. Let's say you want to have 50 target ticks, okay? And at the same time, your 10 is 25, and you're pretty much going to be here the whole day. So I'm going to show you what you do. Again, you're going to put 16. As the first session ends, 14, 16. 14. Okay. Now, just remember one thing. I'm in the Eastern time zone, so I am in this example. This is what I use. So the first session closes for me at 6:15. If you are in Chicago, then obviously you would use here 15. Okay. I'm just going to leave it here. At 16. And that's it, and now it's Optimus 2. I'm going to save this one. Okay, saved, perfect. Now you can choose Optimus 2. Now you can choose Optimus bracket. You choose your own, and now you have both of them. I hope it helps you in your trading. One last thing I want to show you is when you do this, you can delete. Okay, you can go here. Delete, delete. Those are ones that I created before. Can delete, and that's it. So if you changed your mind and you don't want to get confused, you can delete them and then recreate them. I hope this helps you a lot in your trading. One thing that I wanted to tell you, which is really important, the good thing about Rithmic, that whether you use Sierra charts, you use multi-charts or any other third-party application that works with Rithmic, you can have this application open side by side with it with the same username and password and apply it. So this is, you do not necessarily have to look at the visuals of Rithmic Trader. You can look at some other charting package or a third application to work with it. So I thought this would be important to emphasize. In any case, thank you guys for watching this. My name is Matt. I'm from Optimus Futures. I would love to earn your business. Please call me 1-800-771-6748 or you can email me, matt@optimusfutures.com, if you're interested in an account or any technical questions you might have. I'd love to hear from you. Please like this video. I hope to help other traders that way. Thank you again and have a nice day.